I spent time in the forest of Africa with Dr. Livingstone as my guide. Then off again to America with Huckleberry Finn I did hike. So he went to the forest of Africa with Dr. Livingstone as my guide. Then again he goes to the America with whom children? Huckleberry Finn I did hike. The next para is, in my world of fantasy and imagination, I performed such wonderful deeds. A hero of all the nation, I was the one that did succeed. So in my world of fantasy and imagination, in my dreams, in my imagination, what did I perform? I have performed various types of deeds, different types of deeds. A hero of all the nations. So I became the hero of all the nations because I went to forest, I went to moon, I went to America, I went to Africa. So he has become the hero of all the nations, and I was the one that did succeed. And I succeeded in all the dreams, in all my imagination in my childhood. So now the next para tells you, then I grew up, my childish world at an end. I had become serious, it nearly drew me around the bend. I still do like the mysterious having unknown qualities. This is the message I am trying to send. So what is the next para tells you? Now earlier I was a child, now I am grown up. Okay, when I grown up, what happens? The person becomes serious. All that childhood imagination, the pranks, the fun, what all you are having, you all will stop and you try to become serious. And now I have to bend, I have to do my work, I have to do as how other elder people are doing. I can't imagine about the imagination what I was thinking in my childhood. So I still do like the mysterious, but I still like to do all the mysterious things which I was doing in my childhood with having unknown qualities, not known qualities, the qualities which are unknown to others. This is the message I am trying to send. So this is the message I want to give to everyone, that the poet in the imagination poem, he has covered the various fields. First is, he is venturing into the sea. Second is about having the joy, discovering the joy of reading. Okay. And the next one is going to the Eskimos, that is the place of ice and snow. Next, the poet is telling in the childhood he likes to read the books of Jules Verne, and he is planning to go to the moon and then back to return. Then he is planning to go to forest of Africa with whom Dr. Livingstone as his guide. Later on he is planning to go to America with Huckleberry Finn. Okay, and the next part, next stanza, it tells you, in the world of fantasy, and he has performed various deeds and he has become the hero of the nation and he has succeeded in whatever he has done. But later on, from childhood, when he grows, his imagination has stopped and he becomes serious and has to do how the other elderly people are doing. But he is still want to be mysterious by having the unknown qualities. So this is the message the poet wants to give in the poem Imagination, that is George Bernard Shaw. So there are three glossaries here, children. First one is pirate. Pirate means one who plunders at sea. Second is Eskimos, inhabitant of Arctic. And the third is fantasy was all aglow, means that which comes from one's imagination. Now I will tell you about the note on the poet, or about the poet. Who is the poet, children? George Bernard Shaw, that is from 1856 to 1950, was an Irish playwright. Although his first profitable writing was music and literary criticism, in which capacity he wrote many highly articulate pieces of journalism. But his main talent was for drama, and he wrote more than how many plays? 60 plays. Nearly all his writing deals sternly with prevailing social Lawrence. Shah is the only person to have been awarded both a Nobel Prize for Literature in 1925 and an Oscar in 1938 for his contribution to literature. The movie My Fair Lady is an adaptation of his interesting play Pygmalion. So this is the end of the note on the poet. So read the poem, children. Learn the poem by heart because this poem is there for memorization. Thank you, children.